tariki kenda mweri wa kana mwaka wa 2024 na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro gikunyita geni guku kwa Muthingi TV Gikunjuro ni gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi ni ndagioka niguo ngumenyithie uria bururi wa gitindo kigariura ngurehera riboti kuma county tiganite guku bururi wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bururi tuikurukigo nginya riboti cia mathako na maige maria andiki aitu a mohoro magitinda magituhariria na riu nguririkania ati mohoro maya maitu turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathie kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukora kwa @Muthingi TV waikuruka mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe ngeikarira giti giki kio memerekia njitikaga wa irimu wa Kimani na riu tukiambiriria ni ate muthenya wa kiumia andu ana nimekiritwo mukondo gukorwo matete mioyo yao na angi anana kugurara oru thutha wa bathi ya sako gutemwerekera na gukorwo igithie kuria kumete meru guthie kuria mucii munene wa Nairobi mitino ya barabara ni thiete na mbere yongererekete na gikiro kinene kuona ati nginyagia umuthi andu angi anana ni makorirwo magite mioyo yao nginyagia riu namba ya andu aria matete mioyo yao bururi wa Kenya nginyagia riu igakinya ni 2,000 kuo andu aria maragitwarithia bathi kana ngari makorio magie na uigiririku muno makiria riria marathie na mbere aya tugithie na mbere ni ati governor wa Kirinyaga wa iguru ni arikitie gwikira kirore watho wa kuramata wendia wa inyui wa njohi cia ibango guku county ya Kirinyaga ni riboti iria iragituhingirira mwa Gikunjuro itu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
Thutha wa bunge ya Kirinyaga kuhitukia mawatho meru ma kuramata wendia na unyui wa njohi riu gavana wa iguru ni ekirite kirore watho uyu niguo kwambiriria kuruta wira ni kurumirira ikuo cia makiria ma andu 17 mwena-ini wa Kagai Mwea aria manyuire njohi yari na thumu kirabu-ini kia California na niguo kugiriria hathara teno bunge ya Kirinyaga ikihitukia mawatho ma kuhurana na wendia wa njohi thumu agikira kirore watho uyu wabici-ini yake mwena-ini wa Mwea Kutus wa iguru augite watho uyu tu wa kuherithia onjoria indi no nginya muingi ugitirwo kuma kuri onjoria matari na kihariro na aria eedi watho uyu ukuruhanitie kubwa kamiti ya mwanya iritigagira maundu mengi uheani wa marwa na gutigira irabu cia heo marwa maya ni hingitie watho uria urafatarania
umothe ni twahitukia the alcoholic bill ni undu wa thina uria ukoretwo Kirinyaga ni undu wa njohi na riu ni alcoholic act ni undu ni twakimisaina na wira ucio wothe urutitwo ni county assembly ino na wamathikiriria ni maramenya kuria kwina thina.
Oho gutire kirabu gikuhingurwo hakuhi na micii kana thukuru kuona imwe ikoretwo ikiendia njohi kuri arutwo
iko turavingire Mbaara turauga atiriri turauga andu mainukage o mundu abeane gitio
Mbaara ino ya njohi county ni ya Kirinyaga honge-ini itiganite ta ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti kiari ruhonge rwa guthurima wagiriru wa indo KEBS hamwe na rwa kurwa na indo itagirire ni ukuruhanitio gutigira muingi ndunaheo thumu. Speaker wa bunge ya Kirinyaga Muteti Murimi augite matigwitikira thuguri na njohi ngananie county ya Kirinyaga na iria ikoretwo igicungiriria ikuo.
Nitukwenda community tunathirambe na guku na tukisema tunapigana na pombe hara hatutaki warevi saa 2 hatutaki warevi saa 10 tunasema pombe baada ya
mwena-ini wake MCA wa guthukio bunge-ini ya Kirinyaga Harrison Kariuki ni eraneirie wirutiri wake hari uteithania na thirikari kunina njohi ino
ni kwira ayuthi please tutigane na njovi otoria twarikaniire oguo tumenyerere our future.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV njitagwo Joshua Njuguna.
Aya no akeigwira governor wa iguru ni arikitie kwendikithia ati riu gutire inyuiro cia njohi igukorwo hakuhi na mathukuru hamwe na micii ya andu Bereni ate maremi ma aremi a mahua aciari na arutwo gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Naivasha oko nĩ kaunti ya Nakuru matigĩtwo matarĩ na wĩki thutha wa thukuru ũrĩa wakĩtwo mũgũnda-inĩ wa mahua gũkorwo ũkĩhingwo. Thukuru wa secondary wa Karuturi nĩguo wa kerĩ kũhingwo mirango kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 3 gũkũ mathomo makĩria ma arutwo 200 magĩtharara.
Hawa watoto ambao wengine wao wazazi hapa karibu 10 juzi tu kuanzia Januari hii ndio wamebadilisha watoto wao kutoka Oserian ambayo ilikuwa imefungwa. Na cha kusikitisha sana kwamba ni wazazi wengine waliotoa wanafunzi wao kutoka Oserian wakawaleta hapa wamesoma miezi 2 ama 3 kuanzia Januari, sasa hivi ni April. Sasa hizi tena hii shule inafungwa. So ni jambo ambalo hata linahangaisha wanafunzi, it is torturing even the concentration of wanafunzi. Haswa yule aliyebadilishwa sasa ako hapa tena anaambiwa tena abadilishwe. For sure, seriously speaking, kama mwalimu tunaona kwamba hawa watoto tuna intervene ama tuna interfere with their education. Ukiona kuna njia zote zimeshindikana, waje hii shule iendelee mpaka mwisho wa mwaka. Sasa from there hata mzazi atakuwa amejipanga ili apeleke mtoto kwingineko.
Na mimi naongelesha Mheshimiwa Jane Kihara. Kama unajua huko kwa hii maneno, tafadhali tunakuomba uingilie hii maneno, kwa sababu hii ni watoto ambao wanahitaji masomo. Hii ni wasasi ambao wanaumia, hawana kazi. Mashamba zimefungwa na hatujaona kiongozi ambaye ametokelezea orgari ya kujua shida kwa nini hizi mashamba zinafungwa kama MP, kama governor. Lakini tunaomba kama viongozi wa area hii, kama Jane Kihara, tafadhali, na tunaomba Machoku CS aingilie kwa hii maneno, kwa sababu mambo kama hii inatustua kama wakaaji wa orgari.
Amesoma tamuani peke yake na nilikuwa nimelipa school fees 16k na niko mpaka na receipt. Sasa tunataka tujue hatima yetu, watoto wetu watasoma aje juu shule inafungwa, na shule inafungwa tu, yani inafungwa tu ni kama tu kushtuliwa tu. Wazazi tulikuwa tumejipanga, sasa tunataka tuambiwe saa hizi katikati ya mwaka tutapeleka watoto wetu wapi shule.
Januari tulianza shule, hatukuambiwa chochote ya kwamba kuna kitu itatendeka. Tukawa mwezi wa 3 hii tuliitwa mkutano ya kwanza na tukaambiwa receiver wenye walinunua samba ya Karturi wamesema wanataka kuchukua shule na shule ni yao, hiyo ground ni yao, na wanataka watoto watoke kwa shule. Nasema walikaa pamoja Ministry of Education na Karturi Limited, hiyo receiver, na wakaongea ya kwamba shule inafungwa. Na kulingana venye nyinyi wenyewe mnajua siku hizi system imebadilishwa education. Kutransfer mtoto is a very big problem. Ya kwamba unaweza pata sahi mtoto alisa register hapa, utapeleka yeye shule ingine namna gani? Unajua hiyo inatu confuse na tumekuwa struggle.
Nayo thirikari nene kwĩtũkĩra rũhonge rwa gũthaitĩra mĩtitũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ KFS nĩ ambĩrĩirie kũiriga mũtitũ ũrĩa ũrĩ kĩrĩma-inĩ kĩa Menengai kaunti ya Nakuru. Akinya bara ũrĩa mĩhang'o ĩno ĩragĩthiĩ na mbere, mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa mĩtitũ bũrũri-inĩ Alex augĩte atĩ thirikari ĩtacũkĩtie ikinya rĩu nĩguo gũthaitĩra gĩthaka kĩu kumana na gũthangio mũingĩ.
Akiaranĩria na andĩki a mohoro thutha wa kũrugũria kũirigwo kwa mũtitũ ũrĩa ũrĩ kĩrĩma-inĩ kĩa Menengai gũkũ Nakuru, mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa mũtitũ ũyũ Alex Lemakok nĩaugĩte mekĩte ũũ nĩguo kũrigĩrĩria gĩthaka kĩu kumana na gũthũkangio makĩria ma ũrĩa kĩũnũhĩtwo nĩ mũingĩ, o hamwe na kũrigĩrĩria ciĩko cia waganu iria itabanagio kuo.
Watu wanapeleka wale watu wanaenda kupiga watu kule ndani, wizi unafanyika kule, ng'ombe wakiibiwa kwa sehemu ya Rongai county wanaingizwa kwenye hiyo msitu na wanapotea kwa sababu kreta ni ngumu kuingia. Sasa hayo ni maneno ambayo ataisha. We are going to increase safety. Kutakuwa na usalama wa kutosha na hivi kwamba kila mmoja ambaye anaingia huko atajisikia ako salama akiwa kule ndani.
Na kuona mũtitũ ũyũ nĩ kĩhumo kĩa njũĩ imwe, Lemakok nĩaugĩte ũrairigwo nĩguo gũthaitĩra kĩhumo kĩa njũĩ icio, o hamwe na mĩhang'o ĩrĩa twarithagio na mbere kĩrĩma-inĩ gĩkĩ ta ũthondeki wa thitima kumana na ndiho gatagatĩ ka mangĩ maingĩ.
Because it's a catchment area, we also have a very good source of water and waterways, and there also being a caldera is a very important resource for geothermal development, As a matter of fact, we are hosting the GDC here, and we are already getting energy from this particular forest. It also provides a very good opportunity for recreational services for the urban population that is oftenly affected by too much concrete buildings.
Mihango yothe ya kuirigwo kwa mutito uyu itanyitwo kuhuthira kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 100 na aria mari mugunda-ini wa mutito uyu ni moritio guthenga niguo kuhotithia mihango ya kuirigwo gutafanio gutari mahika o wothe guku andu makiurio kuhanda miti makiria kimera giki kia mbura.
About 100 million for the fence, that is one, and this being funded by FDP. Is a loan to Kenya government. You know, beacons and GPSs don't lie. So where we find a GPS that locates a beacon, that is a beacon. And we do not argue about beacons. So if somebody has encroached, we will request that person to give way so that we can have our fence going on very well. So we don't expect any conflict because even the person who has encroached knows that they have encroached.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.
Anake mwandiki mukaru kamiti-ini ya githomo guku bũrũri-inĩ Belio Kipsang nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari nene nĩ harĩrĩirie kũgacĩrithia mĩthako ya ngerekano na nyĩmbo kuona atĩ nĩteithagĩrĩria harĩ ũkũria na wonjoria wa bũrũri. Belio Kipsang nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari nĩgũtigĩrĩra nĩyagacĩrithia nyĩmbo ici cia mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩtie arĩ kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa ithathatũ kĩa mĩthako ya ngerekano na nyĩmbo iria itabanĩtio thukuru-inĩ wa University wa Embu.
Your Excellency, the government is fully focused on promotion of creative arts encompassing drama, film, music and visual arts. These are not just forms of entertainment. They are a powerful tool for cultural expression, social commentary and economic growth. The government has shown that it is serious about this particular area. And as already mentioned, His Excellency the President gave us a directive during the concert last year that we have to monetize the talent of these young people. I'm happy, Your Excellency the Governor, that today, as I also mentioned earlier, that the same has happened. 3 weeks ago, the President met again the team from YouTube, from Google, from Meta, so that we can be able to progress this particular agenda of making sure that creatives becomes part of our economic process. So once again, the government recognizes the immense potential of creative sector and is committed to creating an enabling environment to ensure that this happens. Last year, during the state concert, that we need to make this process and an income both to our children, to their institutions, and to this country. I'm happy I can report today that through the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, there has been a lot of development on the same, and we can tell you our children have started earning.
The Drama Festival is one of the biggest and most vibrant festivals in Kenya, with rich and multifaceted performances in drama and film that depict our arts and culture. Embu County is honored to host this year's festival, and on behalf of the people of Embu, I welcome you to the land of opportunities. Karibuni sana.
These young people to get a space where they can continue harnessing their talents after they've finished school. We do not want to lose them. We want to enable them to participate in the project of nation building through the use of their talents, which we have already started seeing here. So Your Excellency will be very happy when that happens.
Na kũrũmĩrĩra mũgomo wa arigitani ũrĩa ũragĩthiĩ na mbere gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kwĩhĩrĩra arwaru matigĩtwo hatĩka-inĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa, makĩria arĩa makoragwo mehokete urigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ cia thirikari imwe yacio arĩ thibitarĩ wa Coast General. Wagi wa motungata mathibitarĩ-inĩ maya ũcũngĩrĩirie arwaru gũcokereria mĩciĩ yao marĩ na mĩtangĩko hamwe na ruo. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo rĩtana rĩa arwaru aya nĩ kũrĩ thirikari gũkorwo ĩkĩanĩrĩra na gũkorwo ĩkĩaria na maabitha a ũrigitani nĩguo gwetha kĩhonia kĩa mũgomo ũyũ.
Alikuwa na fracture ya mguu, alikuwa tolewa hiyo bandage on Friday akatolewa na bado mguu nauma. Juu daktari hawako, angekuwa referred kwa daktari mwingine na matibabu yetu ni hapa Coast General. Leo tumekuja pia tukaambiwa turudi kesho ndio tuone kama tutahudumiwa tena. So kila kitu ni referred until doctors warudi kazi kwa njia inayofaa.
Kwanza kwa hali ngumu ya katika ya mfungo, wengi ndugu zetu wanaanguka na pressure nini, hakuna huduma, wengine wanapoteza maisha. Sasa hiyo wengi tushazika katika mwezi. Kwa hivyo tunaomba waelewane na serikali kuu.
Baada ya mkataba kwa sababu sisi wananchi wakaenda sisi ndio tunaumia. Nimeenda Makadara juzi pale. Watu wamelala huko, hakuna mtu anakuhudumia. Na kuingia ofisi kwa hiyo units unaambiwa hakuna daktari. Njoo si kesho. Watu wanaumia. Sisi ndio wananchi wakaenda wanaumia. Wao wakubwa watu wanaona safari waenda huko nje. Watibiwe, sisi hapa wananchi wakaenda wanaumia. Huyo alisema atakuwa rais wa Asla. Sasa Asla zama ametoa bado ni. Sisi hata hatujui nani.
Niho tugukorwo tukioya kamwe kigago ikiria ndugathi haraya turacokereria na mangi maingĩ.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Ore murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera +7 7 572 358 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Your wings just got bigger and better na Lotto. March your 6 lucky numbers na Lotto na ushinde times 20,000 bet yako ndani ya hourly draws. Kila siku kuna guaranteed jinue bonus times 10,000 your bet. The more you stake, the more your bonus. Jipange pia ndani ya Lotto na shopping vouchers worth 100,000 na a brand new probox kila wiki. Kila Wednesday and Saturday kuna up to 200 million ndani ya grand mega jackpot. Changamka, jinue Na Lotto, ingia M-Pesa paybill 777-000. Account Muvingi. Amount shilingi 50 hadi shilingi 2,000.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Changamka cheza Lotto.
Wigwatere set 102W GPS tracker omothe kuma Septa Empire na ukenerere tracking ya kuria gari yaku ndithikana itigarire mahinda-ini mothe kumenya kuria igereire gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 kuhoria injini yaku uri handu-ini hothe kugerera application yao hamwe na kumenyereria gari yaku yakio kana yahorio na marihi ma ciringi 4,500 tu ukareherwo setting ngima. GPS tracker ino ni iraingira gari mithemba-ini yothe matinga undu umwe na nduthi iria ingikorwo ikihuthira petrol ona kana thitima na no umihuthire kugerera rurenda kana application iria ungigwatira thimu-ini yaku ya Android kana iOS. Kimetie kugerera rurenda-ini rwao nyenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kana umahurire thimu kugerera namba ciao nicio 0706867677 na umiamukire hatari marihi kugerera G4S ucoke uheo mutaaramu uria wi hakuhi nawe agwikirire na marihi ma ciringi 1,000. Skepta Empire, the most reliable vehicle tracking company in Kenya.
Aya ni twagicokereria na riu tugithie na mbere na gikunjuro gitu ni ate makiria ma family 300 kuma gicigo kia ubunge gia Kobura guku ni county ya Kisumu matigitwo matari na woikaro kurumirira mbura nene iria irathie na mbere kura guku bururi-ini na makiria mwana ucio aikari aria mahoete thirikari nene hamwe na thirikari ya county kumateithiriria kuona ati maratara hathara nene na indo iria igithukangitio ni miyuro ya mbura ino.
Imekuja huku kwetu imetusumbua sahi. Ilianza mwezi wa 1 mpaka sahi na bado tunasumbukana. Watu wamehama wamekaa huko shule ya Rieko Junior Academy na hata ukiona kwa hii nyumba bibi alitoroka juu ya maji. Sasa mzee amebaki na watoto peke yake. Anatafuta na pia anarudi kutengeneza chakula hapa. Maji inasumbua sasa tunaomba serikali ya county kuanzia governor wetu Peter Nyang'nyong'o na waziri na MCA mkuje mtusaidia na tingatinga atengeneze hii mto hii maji iende kabisa.
Tunaishi na nyoka, tunaishi na samaki, tunaishi na every kind of water animals here. So we are requesting from the national government, county government, hata ojienda kuja tusaidie. Anybody who is willing can come and akuje tusaidie. So we are pleading with the county government, the MCA, please go and plead on our behalf.
Tuko area Mbega na maji imeingia kwa manyumba ya watu. Tumeshapeleka vilio vya watu wa Mbega kwa muda mrefu sasa. Tumpeleka kwa county government na unajua kazi yetu kama members wa county assembly. Tukishapeleka kazi ya county government ni kuimplement. The other time juzi tulipitisha supplementary budget ya county. Na chenye nashangaza kabisa ni tangu tupitishe supplementary budget mpaka county government ikakuja ikatuambia kama assembly pitisheni 30 million ikuje isaidie disaster, pitisheni 50 million ikuje isaidie emergency. Mpaka wa sasa nashangaa kama area MCA request zetu kama Kobura tukipeleka nini inafanyika katika county yetu ya Kisumu.
Nake mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni arikitie kwamukira etikia a dini ya Githiramu thigiraini wa iregi hindi ya gukungwira mambura ma iftar. Ruto niugite ati mutaratara wa Hustler Fund ni uteithiririe makiria ma Kenya milioni 7 undu uria uteithiririe kuria wa kigina gya guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Uho ni oritie atongoria a dini makorwo muhari-ini wa mbere wa gucokereria thayo guku bũrũri-inĩ.
Umesema kuhusu Hustler Fund kwamba ni kweli Wakenya zaidi ya milioni 15, Wakenya zaidi ya milioni 7 consistently wana benefit kutoka Hustler Fund, na pengine kwa sababu ya vile the financial product has been packaged, not many Muslims can participate. It is the first time I am receiving that request, and I want to guarantee that I will process that request. Ili Hustler Fund pia iwe na sharia compliant component, ndio Wakenya wengine waweze pia kuparticipate. Mnajua tumekuwa na mambo mengi. Chumi yetu ilikuwa katika mahali ambapo hapakuwa pazuri sana. Furaha yangu ni kwamba Mungu ametupatia nafasi, na hata nilisema jana kanisani, tuko na nchi ya ajabu, tuko na nchi ya baraka. Na hiyo baraka itazidi wakati tunamuomba Mungu. So I want to ask you as religious people, as people who believe in God, to continue to pray for our nation. Tuko na changamoto ya vijana wengi wanahangaishwa na madawa ya kulevya na ulevi na mambo kama hayo. Kati ya matatizo ya hawa vijana ni wengi wao hawana ajira. So we need to sort out the unemployment problem in Kenya.
Na Kenya Mbaara Dudu ama Minister Musalia Mudavadi nĩarĩkĩtie kwamũkĩra Minister wa maũndũ ma nja wa bũrũri wa Algeria Ahmed Attaf kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa mabũrũri maya merĩ kĩrĩa kĩrahanĩka mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi. Kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkorwo gĩkĩmatia ndũgũ ya Kenya na Algeria harĩ kũgacĩrithia ũrũmwe wa ũthii wa na mbere ta ũrĩmi, gĩthomo, ũgendi, oro hamwe na kũnyagia hinya wa thitima mabũrũri-inĩ maya merĩ.
Honorable Minister, the Joint Commission for Cooperation has been agreed to be held in Nairobi this year, providing a platform to explore opportunities for enhancing bilateral trade and economic cooperation. Key areas of cooperation highlighted include trade and investments, agriculture, tourism, education, and energy. Our two countries have historic ties and close cooperation and have established diplomatic missions in 2015, and Algeria has since been a valued partner to Kenya in political, economic, social, and educational cooperation. In our deliberations, the Minister and I agreed to deepen and expand this relationship for the benefit of the people of our two countries. Your Excellency, I would like to appreciate the government of Algeria's donation of 16,000 metric tons of urea fertilizer, estimated at $4.8 million, received in January 2024 to enhance food security in our country.
It is for me great pleasure and a distinct honor to undertake this official visit, which is a testimony of the strength of the ties of fraternity and solidarity that bound our two countries. This visit is also a testimony of our political will and determination to deepen and expand the historical and specific relationship which so happily exists between Algeria and Kenya.
Nario itua rĩa kamĩtĩ ya kũramata thogora wa igwa gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya rĩa cukari gũkorwo ũkĩendio kuma ciringi 5,900 nginyagia ciringi 5,100 niriamukirite uregani munene kuma kuri arimi a igwa guko makiorota thirikari ni gwetikiria cukari kuma nja wa bururi kurigana muikariri gite wa kiganda gia cukari kaunti-ini ya Bungoma nieketie ritana kuri thirikari ria gukorwo ikinyita mbaru arimi a igwa niguo kugacirithia urimi wa igwa guku bururi-ini.
Speak like this. I'm not only speaking for myself, I'm also speaking for other millers. As a miller, okay, we are not happy with the decision of the government to allow importation of excess sugar into the country, because the excess sugar is the one which has been dampening the prices. And we want to take this opportunity to request the government to give millers sufficient support. We wish there was a situation where a comprehensive survey is carried out before authorization to import additional sugar. We are aware and we have seen communication from our boss, the Minister of Agriculture, to Treasury, to allow for further importation. I think there was a permission which had been granted up to February. Now they are talking of up to June. And this allows cartels and other people to bring in sugar. The sugar where
bei ya sukari ambayo imeteremka sana. Tulipokuwa tunaingia katika soko hii mwezi wa 12 mwaka uliopita, sukari ilikuwa inakaribia shilingi 10,000 kwa gunia moja kilo 50. Lakini tunaona sasa sukari imeteremka mpaka shilingi 5,100 kwa gunia moja ya kilo 50. Kwa hivyo hiyo imetuathiri sana. Tumeelekeza mambo haya si hapa tu peke yake, bali tumejaribu pia kupeleka maneno haya kule juu katika serikali kuu, tuone kama tunaweza kuwa na sehemu ambayo tunaweza pata faida kama wakulima, kwa sababu sisi kama Nzoia number 1 sisi ni wakulima, alafu ya pili pia kama kiwanda.
Na hau niho gukorwo ngikira gaturumo gikujiro itu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi gucokeria ngatho ni we gwetikira guturana ithwe kuma ria tambiririe gikujiro giki nginyagia riu njokerie ngatho aria othe twagikorwo tuginyitanira nao nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria aria magikorwo magituma ndumiriri ciao kuria mwena wa Facebook. Njokerie ngatho aria othe tukiri nao guku mwena wa studio aria magitigira ati mohoro maya maitu ni makorwo maigukinyira na njira iria ifashiririkite mabirio ni producer wa kwa mundu ugwitwo wa Njiro. Njokerie ngatho kiritwe total no uma director wakwa Aizono kuma kuria mwena wa graphics, Sam ni wakima guku mwena wa camera, na kuria mwena wa digital tumana kiritu gegwitwo Jacinta. Ni hingo ciothe jitikaga wairimu wa Kimani nguririkania ati wona ciarikia kwihanda mathama hwaini tugutugana oro ringi gikurehera riboti iria tugukorwo tukinyeirio haha metha-ini itu ya mohoro ni andiki aitu kwa mohoro nginyagia thaa icio nie ndagikwendithiria miaraho miega.